In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do thermotherapy. It sounds intimidating, right? But it actually refers to the application of hot and cold to decrease muscle and joint pain. Something that you can do conservatively and naturally on your own at home. Stay with me until the end so you will know which one to use, what conditions you can use it for, and how long to keep it on your skin so that it would be effective. Hi, this is again Doc Sherry, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Welcome to my channel. Most of you are looking for natural ways to lessen muscle and joint pain at home without the side effects. Cold and hot therapy, which is termed as thermotherapy in general, can help you do that, and it is for free or it can be really inexpensive. When you put something warm over a muscle or a joint, what it actually does, it widens or it vasodilates your blood vessels. This allows oxygen to pass through, which is needed for healing. The use of warm can lessen pain. It is also helpful in sore muscles. It can help with stiffness caused by conditions like osteoarthritis. And it can also help in many chronic conditions. And by chronic, it means that you have been having recurring pain, usually greater than 12 weeks. The use of something warm is helpful to decrease stiffness in osteoarthritic joints, in conditions like frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis, and it is also very helpful for chronic or long-standing neck and back pain so long as there is no inflammation. To do thermal therapy, what you can do is you can get a small towel and submerge it into a lukewarm water. Or you can also buy hot compress. You can buy rubberized hot compress. You can also choose microwavable heating pads. The good thing of microwavable heating pads, some of them has aromatherapy seeds on it that will also induce relaxation. Or you can also use electric heating pads. You need to wrap it first in a towel before you put it on your skin. This way we prevent burns. And then keep it on for 20 minutes. Use it 2 times a day. It is important that you palpate the part where you put the hot compress in, because sometimes, especially in patients who have been diagnosed with diabetes, sensory nerves are affected and sometimes they are unable to differentiate changes in temperature, which can easily lead to burns. Do not put your hot compress over an open wound and do not lie on your hot compress. You might fall asleep and you might have a burn. There is one rule of thumb for as much as thermal therapy or the use of hot compress is concerned, whether you use it for yourself or for a loved one. Never use hot compress if there is an inflammation. Now, how would you know if there is inflammation? So there would be warmth in the affected area if you were going to compare it with the surrounding surface. There is also redness and there is edema. Before we proceed to cryotherapy or the application of cold to decrease pain in muscles and joints, please allow me to share with you what I had been doing to support my children's optimal growth and development. My partner in reaching my children's full potential is High Kids with Chlorella Growth Factor. Chlorella growth factor is very important because it helps support bone growth, it boosts immune system, and clinical studies have also shown that it helps improve one's IQ. I choose High Kids because despite the fact that it has chlorella growth factor, it is also enriched with lysine, taurine, and zinc. Plus, it also has vitamin A, vitamin B complex, and vitamin D3 rolled into one to ensure optimal bone growth and development. I use HiKids so that my children grow taller, stronger, and smarter. If you want to try HiKids, it is available in all Mercury and Watson's outlet nationwide. You can also purchase it online in Lazada and Shopee. I will put it in the description link below. You can click on it. It will get you to their store immediately. Use HiKids for taller, smarter, and stronger kids. Now let's talk about cryotherapy, or the application of cold to decrease pain in different muscle and joint conditions. When you apply something cold, what happens is there is constriction on the blood vessel. And this is especially very important if there is inflammation. Cold also can help decrease pain. Use cryotherapy, or the application of cold, especially during the first 48 hours after an injury, or so long as there is inflammation. So for example, if you had a fall, if you slip, or if you bump into something, use cryo or cold compress. Cryotherapy, or application of cold, is also very helpful if there are bruises, in conditions like gouty arthritis where there is inflammation, in the presence of sprains or strains, and you can even do cryotherapy after you do your exercise to prevent delayed onset muscle soreness. To do cryotherapy, you can simply get ice cubes and put it in a bag, or you can buy cold compress in different pharmacies and drugstores. It is very inexpensive, it is not messy, and you can use it anytime. Before using the cold compress, wrap it first in a towel before putting it on the affected area. Keep it there for 15 minutes and do it 3 times a day. The only precaution of cryotherapy, or the application of cold compress, is for people who have allergies to cold. Besides the application of thermotherapy, or the use of hot and cold in decreasing muscle and joint pain at home, your other alternative is to use topical pain gels and creams. One good example is those with the component of Arnica montana extract, which had been proven in clinical studies to have the same effect as that of ibuprofen in decreasing muscle and joint pain. If you have any questions with the use of thermotherapy, or the application of hot and cold in your muscle and joint condition, please comment down below because I would really get back on you. If you like this video and if you find this video helpful, I would really appreciate if you can support me and this channel by simply clicking on the like button below. If you have reached the end of this video, please comment pain-free in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching. This is again Doc Sherry. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy. God bless you.